Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can share your project with other people's, like how you can add collaborators to your page so that they can also edit your page. So for this, let's open up this my students page here, and if you see onto the top you will see this share icon over here. This share icon, you have to click on this one, and now you can also share it to the web, like publish and share link with anyone. Like if your page is done, if you have completed your page, then you can enable this option, and then you can copy its link and share to the people, and they will actually get to see your page live on web. But if you want to add pupils to your page, actually you have to type their email here. So let's suppose I want to like type my email here, and then you can actually set the permission level here. Okay, like if you want to give them full access, can edit and share with others, can edit but not share with others, can edit content but can't edit the database views or structure, can comment or can view. So these are the different permissions that you can assign them. So let's select this full access, and let's just now click on invite, and it's done. So guys, that's how you can actually invite someone on your page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.